everything feels so right. Oh, Fiji Islands, where the palm trees sway. We're catching waves and soaking up the sun all day. In Silver City, it's a tropical escape. With love and laughter and living in our wonderful ways. In Silver City, where the people gather, the love is strong. With laughter, music, and dancing all night long. The sunsets paint the sky with hues of orange and pink. In this island paradise, worries just seem to sink. Oh yeah, oh Fiji Island.